Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can withdraw money from Bybit. So in order to withdraw money from Bybit, you need to go ahead and log into your account first of all, and by default it's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So here you need to go ahead and tap on the asset icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and basically it's going to show you the interface something like this. So over here you need to go ahead and tap on the withdraw button in order to withdraw the amount. So first thing, you need to set up two-factor authentication. So for that, go ahead and tap on setup, and then you'll only begin with the withdrawal procedure once you've completed the two-factor authentication. Once done completing the information, then it's going to directly take you to the field where you have to enter in the exact amount that you're withdrawing and the destination where you're actually withdrawing. So go ahead and enter in all that information, and then you have successfully withdrawn money from Bybit. So in this way you can withdraw money from Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.